It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In order to properly and easily transfer your Minecraft world from your PS4 to your PC, you need to purchase the Realms function. When you have a Realms subscription active, and you can even have a 1-month free trial, you will be able to transfer your world to your Realms subscription. After you upload the world to a realm, you can just open up Minecraft Bedrock Edition on your Windows 10 or 11 computer, and after opening up Minecraft, you will be able to access the Play on Realms function and download the world that you uploaded from your PlayStation 4. This method only requires the active subscription, and it's the easiest way without having to move any files around by using the PS4 or your computer's storage. After you purchase your Realm subscription, make sure to log into the same Microsoft account used to make the purchase, and you will be able to download your world from PS4 in that Realm on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer your Minecraft world from your PlayStation 4 to your PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.